there is an AI insight. AI bi wo hono mo a obeboa o ama wate osika sem na se bi a enyoma na yenwonwon aye bebre unhu se wo ko se wo ba se wo trigger AI na o click AI insight na ebe bi say we ka kire wo say to unlock this no obehia 10 credits and I would aye wonya wadwen so be spend 10 credits and trigger no but say why you ready to spend 10 credits na wa click analyze church ledger ebe analyze bribia na ka kire wo senye osika sem esi gina ne naso efa and then you click on analyze church ledger. You show the AI and the brain. Okay, into AI no abrain information. AI we so nye just a normal chat GPT AI and normal AI. Into no can say church no ejina ye kakra, ejina ye fine, 75 vitality index, ejina ye. Na imomo no, o se church ne born homodin and next year no, church ni sika asem no ebe kosro. Nanso adia e was say what say e was so hwene expenses or spend it too much the expenses no e was so to say to manage the expenses na church no e be koye. Okay, now more details to how to go by things. My go back to your original page na share category breakdown no anything biana over record bia no e more breakdown e wa ha say o record title do wa record bia no breakdown no about ha say maintenance amount I spend on maintenance ho supply sika wetua project fund. In fact there why bia no the categories no ni nyina eba ewo breakdown nim na we hunu ne ekoso ewo itino bibia very transparent, very accurate and very nice. Sanity to contact support team no oko the main site na EcclesiaSync main site and so like this okoso o scroll down oba support na help center no we say a WhatsApp number or click so a very direct to our WhatsApp now I send your message direct on WhatsApp or me respond and I say o click contact us we so a very direct to call then also so afre any makasa and a person send the email any which I send the email and contact number and so which I copy from here.